Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a transformation video for 2019. So I am going to be changing hair, makeup, outfit, just really deep cleanse that like hair, have a great shower, you know. So basically just a big excuse to have a long shower then, Mia. Paint my nails, which you will see did not happen, but I mean it's worth trying anyway. Well, the first thing that I'm going to be doing is to have a very long shower. I'm going to be washing my hair, shaving, exfoliating, whatever that like scrub thing is, moisturising, brushing my teeth a lot, and then I might feel a bit better when I'm next to you. Well, it's currently a few minutes later, like half an hour or 40 minutes later, and I'm out of the shower. I've put some casual clothes on, you see. My hair is wet. Exhibit A, and I'm going to be using my 4 products that I use like every day just to like wake up my face because it's kind of a bit dead at the moment. Isn't everyone? So first thing I'm going to obviously be using Simple Kind to Eyes Roll On blah 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 thing, which is Legend, and it's actually kind of old monk now. Today I might throw this one away and get out my new one because I've got a spare one. And I'm going to be curling my eyelashes. Also I'm just going to brush those eyebrows because I don't know what even is that. Is it? Oh, it's my reindeer. Not real, guys, don't worry. The RSPCA don't need to come. Then I'm going to be using Vaseline. And then I'm also going to be using Sudocrem. So just rub that in. And now I'm going to be drying my hair because I do not want to get a cold because that would just be quite bad. So I'll probably do a time lapse. Well, it's the night, but so the next step I'm going to do is put on a face mask. This is, by now you're probably wondering who the hell wears red and khaki green jumper together on the same day in the same place, and yeah, I do. Can I just point out the Lush Mask of Magma-T, and it is green, and yeah, I literally use this all the time, but I thought might as well put it in the video because I actually love it so much. Don't know why I did that because I look like an actual like peacock thing. Well, the face mask is on, and whilst it's drying, just move that, I'm going to put all my chocolate downstairs that I got from Christmas because I have quite a fat stack of it and it's not helping me not eat chocolate if it's just sitting in the corner of my room. And also, whilst I'm at it, I'm going to take down a rotting apple because who doesn't love that? It actually kind of feels quite cool. So I just put the chocolates downstairs, and look, I'm just going to zoom in onto my mess of a bed so I can actually sleep on it. So yeah, it doesn't look that much, but that is quite a lot of clothes. So I'm just going to hang them up, probably be a time lapse because time lapses are the OGs, am I right, lads? Okay, so it's the next morning now, or it's probably not the morning. Oh, it's 9:44 and I actually look so rough. Put my hair up, but it's okay. The next thing I'm going to be doing is to make a smoothie for my breakfast. Turns out I didn't even have the things that I needed to make a smoothie because I used them all yesterday, so like the day before that I filmed this. So I made something else with a blender, so that'll hopefully make up for it maybe. I'm sorry, please forgive me. I added some oats in just because why not. Then some desiccated coconut was added to the mix. Then it was Sal Turner's turn to be blended. Never add poppy seeds to the mix because it tastes rank. And finally it was time to add some more cocoa powder to get that real chocolate flavour. Shake, 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 shake. Blend. Get out a bowl. Pour. Tidy. Milk. Stir and eat. Looks rank, tastes mediocre. Hello, I look like a bald rat, but I just went on a run, so that can be part of this video, and I didn't even realise that. But today I'm going to wash my hair lovely again, comb my hair, wear a nice little outfit, you know, put on some fake nails. Try to do a thumbnail. There we go, that's a good. Good, that's good. Now I'm going to actually have a shower and I'll be right back. On my Spotify, I am going to be making a playlist of just great songs that are unskippable. I already have a playlist that I kind of like, but it's just got some of them songs in it that you kind of put in your playlist to make your playlist fuller. But I want to have some songs that are just so good and you don't need to skip any of the songs. So I'm going to be calling this playlist Unskippable Bangers. Unskippable beats. Unskippable tunes. Booming beat. Nah.
Unbeatable beats.
There we go. My thingy name is MC_music, so if that's how you want to find it. And you can probably see my other playlist there. Also, I'm going to be just connecting it to my Bose speaker.
Spot a little hottie when I flipped up the shit. You know where I go when we're dancing. Handshakes in the Hamptons and getting drunk in the mansions with you. And you look so classy.
Some things don't sit right this close to midnight. You're gonna say something you don't mean. Then I took yours and made them mine. I didn't notice cause my love was blind. With them like you weren't just crying to me. I know it's not okay, but I get too attached to the things you say. You don't care if I get homesick. Right, lying like you weren't with me last night.
Plot twist, I never thought it would end up like this. Either I just don't feel it or I feel too much. Been constantly dealing with who can I trust. Love to find love but I settle for lust. So tell me, oh tell me what we should discuss. I kill myself pleasing but I'm never pleased. And honestly, what if I'm not good enough? So yeah, I got issues, too much to give up.
Copycat trying to cut my manner. Watch your back when you can't watch mine. I don't belong to anyone, but everybody knows my name.
Hello, well this is the third part, and yes I'm in my dressing gown, you know. Just wash my hair. I'm going out to London again today with my fam again, so I'm going to get ready for that. But I'm going to do hair, makeup and cool outfit. I'm in fact wearing Nike socks and not £2.30 Primark socks. Well, I did my hair and makeup and outfit, but you already saw that. And it's actually the end of this video, so thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy seeing me not get any better looking, then feel free to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to click the subscribe button down below if you enjoyed. See you in a bit.